All right, we're all shaken up. Are we good?
Yep, we're good. I should do that. I should do this now.
Guys, who's styling there now? Who's ready to roll out? Was that too fast?
Whoa! Whoa, I never did this before! Alright guys, so today we're making tie-dye shirts for my mom, dad, and brother, and me. This is all the colors we have.
Did you get a little excited and open the box?
Yeah.
All right, can you take everything out and show us? We got this box at Walmart for $17, and it comes with 18 bottles of dye.
That's where you got it?
Yeah. And it comes with
Why didn't you tell me?
a mat to cover your work area so you don't get dye everywhere, and gloves and rubber bands, and a reusable tote to hold everything.
So we got purple, black, why is there pink?
All right, so there's lots of colors. Here's the mat and the gloves and the rubber bands. And then we've got a shirt for Remi. We're doing what? Let's see. Oh, shirt for brother, for Kyler. Shirt for daddy. Another shirt for Remi. Another one for Remi. Another one for brother. And then one for me.
I get 3.
Yep, you have 3. And then with
Yeah, you guys have 1.
With Remi and Kyler, I got them each a new shirt, and then I also went through their closet and I just picked out shirts that have stains on them that they wouldn't wear normally, because the tie-dye will cover that up and you'll never know that there's a stain on their shirt. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started here. All right, Remi, so what's the first thing that we have to do?
We're putting water on.
Putting water in all the bottles. And then we have to shake them until all of the dye dissolves.
Sounds weird.
All right, that's good. Okay, next bottle. We've got 18 of these to fill up. All right, Remi's got all of our tie-dye. She's being very careful so she doesn't spill it.
Okay.
All right.
I think I'm gonna do...
So now we need to shake them. So hold your finger kind of on the top like this. And shake it like that. So all of the powder in the bottom gets mixed in.
Is that all the powder?
Hold it upside down. Yeah, should be good. All right, we're all shaken up. Are we good?
Yep, we're good. So I got my gloves and they're a little bit too big, but I made them work.
Okay, so what colors are you starting with?
Let's see.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag and ask to sit for 6 to 8 hours.
Orange like Zuma.
you like Zuma?
Yeah.
What's Zuma from?
Paw Patrol. Oh, I should do that now. I should do that. I should do this now.
Okay, well, hold on.
That looks like kind of black.
Okay, what color's next?
And then you get gloves on, Mom?
Yeah, you'll put gloves on, but you gotta wait just a second. So you want teal? Okay, what's the next color you want?
All right, guys, we have to wait 12 minutes till we can wash them and wear them. This is where I could do 1, 2, 3, 4.
12 hours.
12 hours. Okay, now I'm fast forwarding 12 hours.
All right, we'll be back in 12 hours to show you our creations.
Peace out, bye.
Guys, who's styling there now? Who's ready to roll out?
And offers and blah blah blah. Well, Sprint is going to do things differently.
All right, guys, we're gonna go on a little walk. The kiddos are gonna go on a little ride. Come on, come on. Put it in drive. Right here, pull it up. Yep, there we go. Okay, so I just changed it so it can go faster now. We had it set at the 2 mile an hour. Now it's set up to 5 mile an hour. Here, let's close the door, dude.
Going that way.
Okay, turn it and go.
But I can't.
You can't what?
Here, I'll lift it up for you.
No, you can make it.
Just hold the gas.
Go.
Turn. There you go. Got more power for them. How were they getting up the hill before? You were?
It's okay.
Remi, is it too torquey for you now? We should put helmets on these guys. How is it, Remi? Okay, hit the gas, hold it. All right, Remi. Hold the gas this time and go. Watch where you're going, hold the gas. You got this. Nope, I turned it down. Watch, hold the gas all the way. See? All right, Kyler's gonna drive. Okay, you have to start first in low gear. And then we can go to high gear and see if you can drive fast. Okay, ready, go. Turn. Okay. First time Kyler driving this one. He has a little one-seater, Audi. But this is his first time driving the big one. He's doing pretty good. Kyler, turn on your tunes. Turn on your music. Okay, stop, let go of the gas. What's that look for, dude? Okay, come on. Come on, it's okay, you can go down the hill. He's nervous driving it. Remi just pulled the lever, made it go faster for him. He was not happy with it. You won't hit anybody, I promise. Was that too fast? Are you nervous? Both of you guys look super nervous. It's okay, you won't crash, I promise. Daddy won't let you crash. Go. I'll run with you. Yeah, go fast. You're going up the hill. Look. Any cars? No, go this way. Good job.
What was it? Got it.
How was it, dude? Kai, how was it?
Good.
Good. Did you go fast?
Yeah.
Yeah. So fast.
All right, guys. We're watching them wearing the clothes.
Did they sit overnight?
Yeah.
Should they be good now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited to see what your design looks like? All right.
This is Tyler. Want to see what your design looks like?
All right, let's rinse them off and then we'll show everybody, okay?